In the workshop of casting roller, we designed the whole movable dust cover. For the smelting of iron filings, are screened in advance, so that the furnace to minimize impurities. This charge pit is still very deep, need to pay attention to safety. Because of the high purity of the material used, the fume volume of the refining furnace is very small, and the small mobile dust collector is generally used to vacuum. Go outside and look at the dust collector that collects dust for the workshop. The lower box of the dust collector is still designed offline, and the damper is pushed by the cylinder. In the case of a small amount of ash, a small bucket of ash is taken. The workers had to clean up the dust twice a day. For equipment with a large amount of ash discharge, it is still necessary to take a screw conveyor to transport ash. Come to the top of the dust collector. You can open the cover plate to see the filter bag inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.